Turn your wheels, turn your wheels. Alright, you don't have to. You turn your wheels and then hold the button down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, whoa, whoa. Let go of the button, let go of the button. The button makes it go, so when you want to stop, let the button go. Okay, see, hold it. Okay, let go. Okay, let go. Now see, you can turn. Okay, go. Hold on, try to put your feet up and then press the button.
Emily, you gotta push your button. It goes for you.
Just hold the button down. Hey, when you need to turn it, you move your hands, not your feet. There you go.
Put your feet up.
Press the button and turn your hands. Turn your hands. Alright, now you gotta back it up. Alright. Go. Pick your feet up. Turn your hands the other way. There you go, now press the button again.
I need to go this way.